This video is going to leave you shocked that you didn't know this before, wondering how top creators on YouTube are creating thumbnails like this. So in this video we will learn about how to create thumbnails like that in minutes using Canva. Hi folks, Dinesh here. Welcome back, or if you're new here, this channel is all about tutorials, freelancing tips, money-making ideas, and much more. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates. Alright guys, first things first, we are here at Canva's homepage, and you will find a lot of options available here. You can either use this create a design button or the search bar located at the top. As you can see, there are different kinds of ideas available for YouTube thumbnails, such as music YouTube thumbnail and food YouTube thumbnail, but we don't want any of that. So just go ahead and click on this YouTube thumbnail icon, and this will take you to Canva's workspace. So this is the place where all the magic happens. Here you can create, edit, and animate your thumbnails. You can also use their pre-available images and edit them. Just click on it or drag them to this white screen. Here's what it will look like. One more important thing, if you use this search bar and type in YouTube thumbnail, you'll land on this page where it will show all of the photos and thumbnails for YouTube. All of these images are 100% copyright free, so you don't end up getting a copyright strike or running into any legal issues or something while using them. Some of these images require a pro license to use, and some of them are paid. There is a difference between paid and pro images. Stay till the end of this video, and I'll tell you how you can get paid images for free. But don't worry, Canva still offers access to a lot of images for their free users. Images that requires a pro license has this yellow crown-like image on its bottom right corner. You can also select the theme that you want to use. For example, you're having a store and you're promoting your products using your YouTube channel. In that case, you'll have to create a thumbnail that relates to shopping. So what you can do is, you can go here and select the theme which you think is right for your content. There are still a lot of themes available here, so feel free to play with them. If you're a free user like me in Canva, you can filter out these free images by clicking in this free icon. So here's what's the difference between paid and pro images. The best way to explain this is by showing you an example. If I click on download right here, it says this image costs 75 rupees. But you can download this image for free using a Canva Pro account. So you're getting it right? Pro images are the images which can only be used if you have a pro account. But you can use a paid image in a free account by paying the price of that image. Here it says pay and download, but if you go here, there's an option called download a free watermark draft. So later on this video, I'll tell you how to remove that. Let's get back and find a template best suits our needs. Pro tip: choose your template wisely. Your template becomes your thumbnail, and your thumbnail represents your content on YouTube. So before creating a thumbnail, getting an idea about it is very important. So I'm creating a tutorial about creating a thumbnail in Canva. Make sure that you research these images and get an idea on how to create one. I'm not saying you to copy it, but grab the idea. This one looks really good, and I've got an idea of designing my thumbnail. If you're not satisfied with that, you can go find some other ideas for it. As promised, I'm going to select the paid image and use it for free. So this one is paid, right? I'm using that. The reason why these images are paid because it partially contains pro elements of Canva, like these two images. As you click on download, you can see the exact same options shown in that previous image. Here's what we are going to do. Delete these pro images from your design. Once you have done that, click on the download button again, and it will change to this normal download button. So now we have a paid image background for free. We won't be needing this text anymore. Let's start designing. I've already have some images in my system which I'm going to import here. So let's do that quickly in a minute. It will take some time to upload based on your internet connection, so please wait for a while. Alright, we have it fired up here. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to drag these images here and adjust them one by one. Once you do that, drag and adjust the second one, and you have to make sure that both of them are the same size so that you can perfectly match them. Now I'll delete these designs because I won't be needing that anymore. It looks like it was created to fill up the space. Let's drag this a little lower so that we can place the third one perfectly. So bring it up here and adjust it so that it fits with the rest of them. Alright, now we're going to add a human face to this thumbnail. Because a happy face creates better engagement. You can add images like this, or animations like this. To do this, go to your browser and search for Freepik. So this website is a collection of stock images and illustrations. You can find images like these. All of them are high quality and copyright free. Let's go to their search bar. Type in "man showing hand up." Look what I've found. This is what exactly I've been thinking in my mind. You can go check for other images here. So let me select mine. Oh, sorry, not this one. Let me close it and open the other image. This is what I need. So let's download that. You can either use their premium feature or go for the free ones. In their premium feature, you don't have to attribute them, but in their free version, you have to copy their attribution link and paste it in your description. So let's head back to Canva and import the image. I want to import my image with background removed, but I can't do that inside Canva because I'm not a pro user. But how do I remove that? Well, where there is a will, there is a way. So you gotta go to your browser, type in remove BG. It is an online image background remover which is widely used. So let's go ahead and upload our image. It always takes 1 or 2 minutes to remove the background. So now you can download it to your system or copy it and paste it inside Canva. Let's make it bigger and try to place its hand between here. Now, it doesn't fit. So I've got an idea. Let's make it even more bigger. Drag it to the corner and place Canva's logo in its hand. Let's search for Canva and find the right one. Feel free to play with all these options. I'm selecting this and placing it in his hand and adjusting it properly. If you want a closer look, just drag this bar to the right side. Once you're done, bring it back to normal. There is an important thing which I have to tell you is that you can add or change colors and photogenic effects to your design. Go here and click on Effects, and you will have access to change those effects in the image. So feel free to play with those options there. Try changing its color and change its effect, and you can also change its intensity. So right now I've changed its color to black, and you can also do the same with this too. You can click on it and try changing its color, or you can just go ahead and copy the one right here, drag it here, rotate it, and place it exactly in the corner. We should also adjust the top also, and if you want to add text or a speech bubble to your design, go ahead to Freepik and type in speech bubble. Find the one you want. I like this. You can also scroll down to find some other images like that, but I'm using this one. Just click on it and you can edit this picture in here as well. So go ahead and read this, or if you want me to make a video about that, I'm happy to do that for you. So just click on free download and go back to your downloads folder. Extract the file. This is their EPS format, and these are their rules for attribution. This one is for free users and the other one is for pro user. But I don't want to add a speech bubble. I just showed you how you can do that. So we have created our thumbnail, and it's up to you that if you want to use this color or not. After hours of dedication and hard work, we made this. You want to remove these texts and only place the thumbnails. You can do that too.